Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a slightly different video. It is not using any of my makeup, but using my girlfriend's makeup. So she doesn't actually know that I've stolen her makeup because she's away to work at the minute, but she will see soon. So I have her makeup bag. She does not wear much makeup. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. So yeah, let's see what is in here. It looks like quite a lot, but I know for a fact that most of it's just going to be eyebrow stuff. She likes her eyebrows. Anything else, she just looks naturally pretty. It's very annoying. Very annoying. Thankfully, she has bought some of the things that I've mentioned or recommended to her. Thankfully I did not do this video before she started listening to me about makeup, or I would be in shit with some good eyebrows. Let's see. There really isn't much here. There is barely any makeup brushes. I love my makeup brushes. This is gonna be hard. Okay, first I'm going to start off with the Infallible base, which is L'Oreal, so you know I recommended it. And I'm just going to put that all around my face, just taking a little bit, just so she doesn't notice that I went into her makeup. And yes, I am wearing tan at the minute, and she is white like myself, so she only has light foundation. This should be funny. Put that back in the bag so I do not steal it. Right. I'm guessing I'm not getting. So I'm not getting my P. Louise base, obviously. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with concealer. And again, thankfully, she has bought the Infallible concealer and it's in the same shade that I use. I don't normally use this for covering spots, but that's all I got, so here goes. I'm just going to use my finger to pat that all in. It'll have to do. And foundation, she is using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, but it is a few shades lighter than what I am. So yeah, this should be funny. And I have to use her brushes. Got this little hard brush. Yeah, not used to this. Oh, that is painful. Oh my god, I'm so light. What are you doing to me? Oh, I do not recommend this brush. It is painful. And it takes up a lot of product. I know what I'm getting her for Christmas. A new makeup brush. I joke. She's very fussy with her brushes, which I'm shocked by. Like, we stood in Primark the other day looking for this one brow brush that she bought last time with me. Oh my god. I take this down my neck so I don't look as oh, this is bad. She may have some bronzer, or I will cry. Sat here wondering, why did I do this video? Okay. Please God, tell me you have something. I always put concealer under my eyes. But I'm kind of wondering, is there a point? Because I'm already white. So she has this Barry M all night long full coverage concealer. I'm going to put a wee bit of that under my eyes instead of using all her good stuff, you know. And I've never used this before, so I wanted to try it. Oh, it's nice. Feels like and looks like the collection concealer that I like. I haven't got much left of it though, and I've just used it. Sorry. Like a lot more full coverage under the eye than I initially thought. So it's quite light, liquidy, and normally whenever they're quite liquidy, they're not really full coverage. That's nice. It is nice. I liked it. If I wasn't so white, it would be very nice. Let me see, what else have we got? Powder. Give me some powder. So she has this number 7 translucent perfect night loose powder. I'm gonna set my full face with that. And I'm just guessing this is, oh, this says foundation blending brush. I don't think she uses it for foundation. So I'm gonna set my face with it. Hope for the best. But as you all know, I just dropped the powder. Using all her makeup so I don't have to buy my own. Whoa, I am so white. You know what? If I didn't have tan on, I think this base would actually be pretty nice. It would. And her face just always looks good, so I want to look like that. Close that up so I do not drop any more. Right. Eyebrows. Now she has lots of eyebrow stuff. So first I'm taking this collection brow thing. The eyebrow kit from Collection. It has 3 different things and it's broke. I didn't break it, it was already broke. And here, we got this in Primark, but it took her literally about half an hour to pick it out because she's very fussy with makeup brushes. So yeah, these colours aren't really the best for my eyebrows. They're very grey toned here. Yeah, very, very dark. I'm gonna go with the lighter one just to see. And this is a big ass eyebrow pencil, which I'm not used to. I like thin kind of ones. No, I try to give her a really expensive eyebrow brush. Like, I'm talking like £16 for the eyebrow brush. And no, she wanted to go into Primark and get a big thick one. And you got like 3 for, I think it's like £6 or something. Yeah. She just likes the thicker kind of brushes, whereas I like nice and thin ones. They're kind of every shape. Every shape. So bad, but fine at the same time. I give up. I give up. So bad. What am I looking? I ain't got much in front of me, so I do not know how I've lost things. Okay, so she has 2 different eyebrow things, like gels. One is PS Beauty, Primark Beauty, brow enhancing serum such as Browholic. Okay, and then Collection Clear Brow Mascara. Never seen her use either. So that's fun. So I'm just going to do this. This is the Primark one. Maybe she has used this because it doesn't feel like there's much in it. I found it hilarious the first time doing her makeup because I asked to use her foundation instead, and I looked in and this came up saying lid stuff, and I was like, that is so you, because it tells you exactly where to put it. So yeah, lid stuff. I wonder where this goes. I cannot open it. It is browns and glitter. I like glitter. And there is a little pen, there's a little thing in here. A little brush in her makeup bag. I'm hoping she uses this for eye stuff instead of anything else. Okay, so I'm going to go in with like a light shade all over, super light. Anything there? Anything. It all will do. Nothing's on there. Okay, that is super light. Too light for me. Gonna go into like this dark kind of one. Right, it looks like she's used this white quite a bit. Oh, it's like a highlighter. Put that under the eye. Yeah, I'm really not getting much of this brown thing. Might go into the eyeshadow, you know? Yeah. Not the eyeshadow, the eyebrows stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna go into the brow stuff again. I'll go in with this dark kind of one. Now I'm taking that little packer brush again. I'm going to go into glitter. Looks like she's used this one, so let's try it. So I'm putting the dark brown glitter right in the middle of my eye, blending into that dark colour, and then there's like a slightly lighter one. Just going to put that at the front of my eye. And for eyeliner, it is L'Oreal Superstar by Superliner eyeliner. I actually don't have this and I wasn't made to order by it, so yeah. And my worst nightmare, she has no lipstick. None whatsoever. So I'm just going to have to use a baby wipe and take off any foundation that I have on my skin, any foundation that I have on my lips. Thankfully, she does have some bronzer. Why do I always do that? She does have some bronzer, which is, I swear I'm not breaking these things. It is the Barry M Afterglow Light Bronzer. And yeah, there is some shimmer in it. I hate shimmer on me, as in bronzer wise. I like just matte. I'm just a matte person, like I am. And she does have a different brush for it, which is this big, massive #7 brush. She just swirls it and puts it on, and she looks nice. I can't. Oh. trying to put some on my cheeks, and then it looks like I have some blusher on because she hasn't got any blusher. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go back to that lid stuff and use that for a bit of highlighter. A wee bit above the lip too. And there we go. Put all those back before I lose anything. And she shouts at me. Chicken, she doesn't shout at me. I literally use the full contents of her makeup bag. Like everything in there I used on my face. Yeah. Really not feeling it with no lipstick or blusher on, but you know. And obviously I am a lot darker than what her foundation is, but I think it turned out a little bit okay. For what I had to work with, it turned out okay. So yeah, this is the finished look using a non-makeup person. Is that what you can say? Using somebody who doesn't wear much makeup kit, makeup bag, compared to all my palettes, all my makeup brushes, everything. Like, I probably have more makeup brushes than she does have products. So this was a bit hard. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, then please like and subscribe, and you will see me in the next video. Bye! Got my lips a wee bit. Change lip balm or something. I want lipstick. I want lipstick. Seriously wondering why I just look like a thumb. You can definitely tell the difference. This is not my makeup up. No, it isn't. Let's use it. Okay. Do. Let me see what this is. Oh, that is very light. Who is she? Oh, it's Natural Debbie. Do. Yeah. Yeah. Bye. She definitely has a bronzer. Where's her bronzer? Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends.